Fabrics Enterprise on Metaverse is a 3D layer on any software, providing a seamless transition from the enterprise layer to the operational layer, and finally to the equipment or asset layer. We are showcasing 3 use cases that bring out the value across industry functions. Use case 1, maintenance digital twin of a critical aerospace product. Use case 2, operational digital twin of an oil and gas facility for preventive maintenance. Use case 3, manufacturing digital twin of a wing part for improved quality and productivity. Use case 1, digital twin for maintenance of high pressure shutoff valve, HPSOV, on an A320. Bleed air from the engine is diverted to the environmental control system, X, in which the high pressure control valve is situated. HPSOV gets bleed air from engine at 400 Fahrenheit. A data dump from the cockpit indicates a malfunction in the HPSOV. Solenoid valve on the HPSOV is overheating and requires maintenance. HPSOV is taken to a test bench for further investigation. Fabrics Digital Twin will pull data from services below, analytics engine, field problem identification from flight information, PLM, model-based definition, service bill of materials, and engineering bill of materials, EAM, asset maintenance and replacement information, ERP, procurement information, SCM, parts availability, and alternatives. Based on the root cause analysis of the field problem, issue identified is the solenoid overheating due to bearing failure on the valve element shaft. Conclusion: replace the bearing and shaft subassembly for this HPSOV serial number HFA458391. Click on this link for the electronic work instructions for bearing and shaft subassembly.
Here are the work instructions for HPSOV's assembly. We will walk you through a few steps to give you an idea of what the electronic or digital work instructions for the HPSOV look like. As you can see, we start off with the shaft assembly, and you have a lot of instructions given within the text box, including images as well as the part numbers from the bill of material. At the end of these work instructions, we have a meta collaboration video, which allows people from different parts of the world collaborate within the same meta environment, metaverse environment. On on the right side, you will notice a person with a tablet operating in the same metaverse. In the bigger screen, you will see a person on a computer, and both of them have different avatars looking at the same uh, HPSOV 3D model. The intent is for people from different parts of the world being able to collaborate in the same metaverse environment and look at the same asset or data or other critical information necessary to make decisions easily, quickly, and seamlessly. This concludes our first use case, and we'll move on to the second one now.